You're Kurt. You're the same guy I was.
So, I just walked somewhere?
Ugh.
Found a house. Dude, I'm gonna die right away, just like this Slender Man. How do you run?
R. And to pick up tapes is A. And to turn off your flashlight is X.
I don't know what you're going.
Whoa, looks like the ground is steaming.
I'm so scared.
Wow, you sound like
I'm so scared.
I'm gonna turn it up real loud.
Where are you going?
Why is it so hard for you?
Why isn't he going out of bed? Austin, you beat him. What's that noise?
What noise? It's you walking. I'm just closing the door. Oh, that's how we got out. Look at me. It's a little too.
I don't like it.
Oh no!
Wrong person for what they do.
No! He almost got me. Okay.
He almost got you. He's not even near you.
You don't know that. Wait, is there like a sound that he makes when he's near you?
What?
Is there a sound when he's near you?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
Wait, so there's two houses by each other? So I pretty much run in a big circle. Just. And I have no idea how to do it. Oh my god, I keep going in a huge circle. I don't know where to go.
Keep walking straight. For sure there's a cave. See, there's one right there. Straight. Right there.
Dude, I freaked out. I was like, oh, my heart's like pounding. I mean, it looks so weird though.
To the left.
Huh?
Look to the left.
It was scared
To
about
the left. To the
Left?
left. Maybe there's something in there.
Yeah, him. My heart's pounding.
It was right there on the edge of your screen. Oh, look, he's right there. I'm gonna laugh when you turn around and he's right there in your
Oh,
face.
don't say that. Because the remote, it like shakes and it makes a noise so it feels like your body is like, oh my god. I know. Sorry. What's that noise?
Oh, I think it's you or something. Or him. Oh my god. You just grabbed.
Dude, my screen though. That scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. That scared me so much. I know I went in a big circle though.
Yeah, you probably did.
I didn't go very far. See, I just...
You made a boot. Look, you made a shoe.
I saw it when I was so scared I went back. I stayed in one little area though.
Stay where you spawn.
And then I saw him again and I...
That's where you're about to die, right?
Yeah. No? The next time I die. Maybe because I'm stupid and I keep turning around